Welcome to World Best CAR, where we bring you the most exhilarating machines on the planet. Today, we delve into the realm of high-performance luxury with the BMW M3 CS, a sedan that redefines speed, style, and sophistication. The BMW M3 CS is not just a car, it's a statement. With its aggressive stance, carbon fiber accents, and aerodynamic design, it commands attention on every street and racetrack. Under the hood lies a 3.0-liter M twin-power turbo inline-six engine, delivering a staggering 550 horsepower. This powerhouse propels the M3 CS from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 3.4 seconds, ensuring an adrenaline rush every time you hit the accelerator. Step inside, and you're greeted by an interior that marries luxury with performance. The cabin features carbon bucket seats, upholstered in merino leather with a striking black and red bicolor scheme. These seats are not only visually stunning but also provide exceptional support during spirited drives. The dashboard is adorned with carbon fiber trim, and the M Alcantara steering wheel offers a tactile connection to the road. Every detail, from the red CS lettering on the center console to the M seat belts with BMW M stripes, exudes exclusivity and craftsmanship. The M3 CS isn't just about looks, it's engineered for performance. Equipped with the M xDrive all-wheel drive system and adaptive M suspension, it offers precise handling and unparalleled agility. Whether navigating tight corners or cruising on the highway, the M3 CS delivers a driving experience that's both exhilarating and refined. Technology takes center stage with the BMW curved display, featuring a 12.3-inch information display and a 14.9-inch control display. This intuitive interface provides seamless access to navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings, all tailored to enhance your driving experience. Safety and convenience are paramount, with features like the Harman Kardon surround sound system, dual-zone automatic climate control, and advanced driver assistance systems ensuring every journey is comfortable and secure. Automobiles Review. The BMW M3 CS is more than a car, it's a masterpiece of engineering and design. It embodies the perfect balance between luxury and performance, making it a true standout in the world of high-performance sedans. Thank you for joining us on World Best CAR. Stay tuned for more in-depth looks at the world's most exceptional vehicles.